Package opening. I ordered last Friday some beauty products at BeautyMNL online shop where you can buy a lot of beauty products, lipsticks, makeup, shampoo, whatever. Alright, so it says, finally, beauty destination for you. Yeah, so Aloe Vera Natural Skincare Mask. It's from Korea. So yeah, from Korea nga. It's an Aloe Vera Gel. So yan, so kasi may mga nababasa na ako online na maganda nga daw ang aloe vera sa skin, lalo na kapag you have super dry skin. And it says here, it's soothing, moisturizing, antibacterial, anti-inflammatory. It hastens healing, relieves itching, and swelling. So nice, it hastens daw. So mas pinabibilis ang pag-heal ng mga skin keme mo. So it can also be used for burns, rashes, wounds, insect bites, skin irritations, and sunburn. So very good to sa skin ni Chichi kasi she has so many rashes and insect bites. So medyo ano niya yun namana niya sa akin na kagate ng mga insekto, ng mga langgam, lamok, ganyan. So eto, perfecto sa kanya. And lastly, this is from my friend's beauty line, Beachborn, Sarah. So yan, ayan, Beachborn Witch Hazel Wash. This is for sensitive areas. And okay ang ingredients nito. It has distilled water, ito, saponified Spanish olive oil. Ano to? Di ko alam, google ko na lang. Witch Hazel, Vitamin E, and Essential Oils. Sarah, ano ba to? Hindi ko alam, pero sige, WhatsApp na lang, alamin ko kung ano ba to. Safe for daily use daw. So yun, so yeah, they have Instagram account, Beachborn PH. Check them out. Ito, facial wash din. Gagamitin ko to as facial wash para sa mga chismis ko sa mukha. By the way, all in all, I only paid, how much nga ba? 561. So, lalagay ko na lang yung prices niya on the description box para makita niya, and the website and all, and Instagram, Beachborn. Yay!